Yes. As I said in previous class, we will be discussing about the problems on osmotic pressure in the next class. The formula for osmotic pressure is given as pi equal to W2 into R into T divided by V into M2, where pi is osmotic pressure, W2 is mass of solute in grams, R is a universal gas constant. That if the value is given, you take that value. If it is not given, you should know its value is 0.082 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. V is the volume of solution in liter and M2 is the molar mass of solute. So we'll solve the problems on this. Yes. So if you look at the problem, what is the problem given? First thing, read the problem with patience. So it is a problem given 300 centimeter cube. That means it is nothing but a unit of volume. So volume of the solution is given V equal to 300 centimeter cube. Of an aqueous solution of a protein contains 2.12 gram of protein. W2 equal to 2.12 gram. The osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin. The temperature given is 300 Kelvin. Is found to be 3.89 into 10 to the power minus 3 bar. So osmotic pressure pi is found to be 3.89 into 10 to the power minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of the protein. So they have asked us to calculate what is M2. And within bracket they have given R. The R value is given as 0.0823 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. So we know the formula that is pi is equal to W2 into R into T divided by V into M2, and M2 equal to, if you rearrange it, you get it as M2 equal to W2 into R into T divided by V into pi. M2 equal to W2 value is 2.12 gram into R value is 0.0823. The unit given is liter bar per mole per Kelvin into temperature is 300 Kelvin divided by volume of the solution. In the formula what we had written here, volume of the solution is required, but volume of the solution should be in terms of what? Liters. But in the question it is given in terms of what? Centimeter cube. So we'll convert it into liters. It becomes 300 into 10 to the power minus 3 liter. So volume of the solution is 300 into 10 to the power minus 3 liter into pi value is 3.89 into 10 to the power minus 3, unit given is bar. So this is the substitution we have done. Now liter, bar gets cancelled, Kelvin per Kelvin gets cancelled, 300 gets cancelled. So we'll multiply our numerator. What do we get in numerator? We will see. So it is 2.12 into 0.0823. So we'll multiply it. What do we get? 2.12 into 0.0823. So this is our numerator, which is equal to 0.174476. We'll not write it separately because our denominator has only one value, that is 3.89. So we'll divide it here itself, divided by 3.89, which is equal to, so we get the value as 0.0 0.044852 etc. This is the value we get. So when we get this value, next what we have here in the denominator, 10 to the power minus 3, minus 3. When they both go up, it becomes plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So into 10 to the power 6 gram per mole. Whenever you are expressing molar mass, it should not be expressed in scientific notation. So we want to remove this scientific notation. To remove it, you shift the point. So you should shift the point towards right side. To remove this 6, if you should get minus 6, you should shift it by 6 digits. So when we shift it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we get the answer as 44852.442 gram per mole. So what is the molar mass of the protein given? It is 44,852.442. So that becomes the molar mass of our protein. Then next, we'll solve similarly the next question. Is what is given in the next question? 200 centimeter cube of an aqueous solution of protein. So that means volume of the solution is given. It is equal to 200 centimeter cube. We know that the volume should be in terms of liter. So it is 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 liter. Then next, contains 1.26 gram of protein. That itself becomes what? Mass of our solvent, that is 1.26. The osmotic pressure of such a solution at 300 Kelvin. That means temperature is given, it is 300 Kelvin. Is found to be 2.57. Osmotic pressure is found to be 2.57, that is pi value, which is equal to 2.57 into 10 to the power minus 3 bar. Calculate the molar mass of the protein. They have asked us to calculate what is M2 value. R is equal to 0.083 liter bar per mole per Kelvin. This is the value of R given. We know the formula, that is pi equal to W2 into R into T divided by V into M2. So W2, we want to calculate M2. We'll just rearrange this equation. M2 equal to W2 into R into T divided by pi into V. W2 value we know, it is 1.26 gram, into R value we know, it is 0.083 liter bar per mole per Kelvin, into temperature value we have, it is 300 Kelvin, divided by pi value, it is 2.57 into 10 to the power minus 3 bar, into volume, we have to take it as converted into liters. So here it is 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 liter. So when you multiply it overall, so multiply the numerator. On multiplying numerator, what do you get? 1.26 into 0.083 into 300. I get my value as 31.374, and in the denominator it is 2.57 into 200, it is equal to 514 into 10 to the power minus 6, because minus 3 plus minus 6, then bar liter Kelvin per Kelvin gets cancelled, unit remaining is gram per mole. So we'll divide this value by 514. What do we get? We will see. So 31.374 divided by 31.374 divided by 514. It is equal to 0.0610389 105 into, when it goes up, it becomes plus 6 and the unit is gram per mole. As I have said you should not express the answer in scientific notation. Always molar mass should be expressed without scientific notation. It is raised to the power 6. You have to remove 6 and you can remove 6 by shifting the decimal point towards right by 6 digits. So here it becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 61,038.9105 gram per mole. So it is the molar mass of my protein here. The molar mass of my protein is 61,038.9105 gram per mole. I hope these problems are clear. See, in osmotic pressure, where you go wrong is especially with the volume. They give in cm cube, you write it in cm cube. Remember that in the formula, volume should be in terms of what? Liters. And such type of questions are asked for 3 marks. In annual exam, you will get any one question for sure from the solutions lesson from colligative properties. Either it can be asked on relative lowering of vapor pressure, or elevation in boiling point, or depression in freezing point, or osmotic pressure. Out of this 4 colligative property, any one colligative property, problems based on any one colligative property will be asked in the annual exam. I hope the problems are clear to you. If you have any doubts, you can ask the doubts. Okay, thank you.